This is the elevator at Kohl's, Fresh Meadows, New York. And I'm gonna lose my bet again in 3, 2, 1. There's Dover Impulse. Give me a break. Oh, there's probably an elevator machine room. That's a pretty nice Dover, though. Let's see if this thing has a slow hydro. Excuse the music that's playing in the background. I gotta talk over the music. Huh. Very nice cab. Ha! What a time to find a loose bell. That's a Dover in a lock up there. Let's go to 2. Wow. We found a broken piano. Yep, it's a Dover. Crooked buzz. Pretty fast. Yeah, it's not that bad. I came here. It's not even padded legally. Let's go down a little C. Let's give you a cab view. It does have reused wood floors, just like Urban Outfitters. And while we at it, here's your ADA compliant hands-free Janus telephone. I have no complaints about it. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Yeah, what a time to find a horrible door operator. I thought for a moment the last time it was a little slow. That door really needs help though. Anyway, that's it.